So what we have seen, ki those are having Robert's constitution, they will react, or they are having the strong immunity. Sorry, they will react to the medicine more in a more better way, or they will give the result instantaneously. But those are having the weak immunity, or those are delicate, they will give the reaction very slowly in the proving as well as in the cure. Whenever your medicine is totally suitable, when it is a similar medicine, it will show its effect again according to the susceptibility. If it is a totally similar medicine, when it is well indicated medicine, it will give the instantaneous result or will take only few hours. But if it is not a properly selected similar medicine, so it will not show the proper effect. The either the symptom will change or the new symptom may appear. So in that case, we have to give the another well selected remedy. When the medicine is suitable, there is no require to give the another dose. There is no require to change the potency. In the aphorism, in the aphorism 33, in according with this fact, that is the susceptibility fact, it is undeniably shown by all experience that living organism is much more disposed and has a greater liability to acted upon by the medicinal force that we have seen, because it is acting unconditionally. It is not the subordinate force. It is not acting conditionally that we have seen. It is absolute unconditional power, and hence it is superior to that of the disease force, because this disease requires the lower susceptibility. Once the susceptibility lowers, then only this influx will flow inside the body, and this will be manifested in the forms of signs and symptoms. But this medicine act unconditionally. It will not require any low or high susceptibility, but on the other hand, it is help कि जो susceptibility कम हो गई है because of this morbific noxious agent and infectious mysomes, ये उसको restore करती है. So these medicines are helpful, and on the same time it is superior also. When we look over improper use of all sorts of medicine, we can but conclude that human race, because of drug taking, has been greatly disordered in the economy. But if you are taking the improper medicines, it may be the opposite medicine or it may be the antipathic medicine, so their economy will be ruined. It will be get disordered. The disease will not be cured in such case. You have heard the Hahnemann speak of the management of the chronic diseases. He distantly states that the greatest difficulty are those that have been brought about the economy by continuous drug taking. Continuously, if that patient is taking the palliative drug or the drug which is not a suitable one, then it is very difficult to treat such patients. It is not that the drug themselves are laid upon the economy, but that lifelong disorder created. So, for any case, diphtheria, if you are taking the example, if that person is taking the improper medicine, the medicine, if it is not suitable, then this diphtheria may leads to a palliate हो जाएगा for a time being. Again, the disease may occur in the same form or in the another form, and it is very difficult to cure in that stage because the intensity of the disease increases second time. Think of the poor old individuals who were in the habit of taking sulfur and molasses, that is the lycopodium. Think of those who are perpetually tapping their livers with a blue mass. Think of the Western sufferer who filled themselves every year with the quinine, the pancake to keep off the chill. Certain medicines he has given here in the form of allopathic drug. Sulfur drugs अगर ले रहे हैं, या if you are taking the quinine for the malaria in the higher doses, it is not in a potentized form, then it is very difficult to cure such patient afterward. These people are so disordered that it takes a years of careful prescribing to turn them into the state of order. So here first we have to antidote such medicines, and then we have to give our proper medicine. In aphorism number 34, Hanuman repeats the two prepositions to which we have already occluded. The first preposition is that in order to cure, the medicines must be able to produce in the body the artificial similar disease to that of the natural disease, which had been fully illustrated and explained. So in the last paragraph, that is in the 34, he explained that the medicine should be in a position to produce similar and a stronger disease than that of the natural disease. The second preposition he used that कि it should be a greater. So पहला preposition जो use किया है कि it should be a similar one. Second preposition जो use किया है that is they should be a greater in degree of intensity. The matter of intensity has already been explained as something higher, more internal, something superior or prior. So medicine आपको कैसे देनी है? It should be a stronger one. Intensity of power is proportionate to the degree of approximation towards the primitive substance. What is this? The intensity of power. That means your potency. It should be appropriate to that of the susceptibility. That is a primitive substance. There is no thought in of intensity in any other direction. There is no way of giving the medicine than giving the potency other than the susceptibility. The cause of disease and the cure exist within the primitive substance that we have seen in the contagion as well as in the cure. The one principle, that is the susceptibility, not in ultimate material form. It is not depend upon the bacteria or the viruses, but it is depend upon the susceptibility. Although the material cause of the disease continues, the disease ultimates. Although we cannot see the cause of the disease because it is a material, but on the basis of susceptibility we have to give the medicine. The bacteriologists have crawled into the confusion because they do not know in their science that cause continues into effects. So what he said, the old school physician or the bacteriologist, they are in a confusion that ki they do not know the science that causes continues into the effect. जो मेडिसिन डिसीज कॉज कर रही है या वही मेडिसिन क्योर कर रही है बिकॉज दे आर टोटली बिलीव ऑन द बैक्टीरिया. अगर बैक्टीरिया उनको दिख रहे हैं दैट मीन्स द पेशेंट इज इन अ कंटेजियन. अगर नहीं है, साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स है पेशेंट को, लेकिन स्टिल दे विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट दैट पर्सन इज सिक वन. The bacteria may contain the cause because they contain continued into ultimates, but the primitive cause is not the bacteria, but the bacteria themselves have the cause. प्रिमेटिव कॉज ऑफ द डिसीज बैक्टीरिया नहीं होते हैं. तो प्रिमेटिव कॉज क्या है? दैट इज अ लोअर ससेप्टेबिलिटी. बैक्टीरिया देमसेल्फ हैव अ कॉज. उनको कॉज मिलता है इसलिए बैक्टीरिया एक्ट करते हैं, और वो कॉज क्या है? दैट इज द लोअर susceptibility. So from this chapter we have learned that ki this susceptibility is nothing but the our response towards the disease cause. When the disease is enters into the body as an influx, it will continue flowing inside the body. But whenever you are giving the medicine, that influx will stop flowing, and the artificial disease will be produced by the medicine. These artificial disease should be stronger so that the susceptibility will increase. We can give the proper potency on the basis of this susceptibility, and there will be a cure. So in the disease and in the cure the same principle is acting, that is the susceptibility. Bacteria is not the proximate cause, but this is the ultimate cause because the bacteria is also require the lowered susceptibility, then only they can derange our health. So this is about the concept of susceptibility. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Aphorism
Yes,
and
ma'am.
theory, all the things, 30, 31, 32. All the things are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On which date we are having a pharmacy paper?
4th December.
4th December.
Yes, ma'am.
What you said?
4th December, ma'am.
Okay. And your exam is starting from the
24th November.
24.
24th November. So first is anatomy, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anatomy 1, anatomy 2, and then 1 day break.
No, no.
Huh. What is the
Anatomy
pattern?
1, then 1 day break.
What?
And anatomy
Anatomy
1, then 1 day,
and anatomy
then
2.
anatomy,
Okay. So
then
alternate
1
day
day
you
break.
are having papers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So in this way, pharmacy paper is last. That is in the 4th December.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
after that, you are having your Viva.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वाइवा की भी डेट डिक्लेअर हो गई है क्या?
No,
No,
no.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
अजून
Yes.
No,
सांगितलं
ma'am.
नाही.
ओके. तो आप लोग कब जा रहे हो कॉलेज में?
2nd November.
व्हाई सो अर्ली? इतने जल्दी जा रहे हो आप लोग कॉलेज में, क्यों? You have to be
Ma'am,
quarantined
to
there for
study.
5. Huh?
To study, ma'am.
But is it allowed to stay there for
Yes, yes,
so
ma'am.
many days?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Proper distancing is available in our hostel?
Yes, ma'am. Because seniors won't be there, na, ma'am. November batch won't be there.
But second year and the third year student will also be there because they are also having the examination.
Ma'am, some people have shifted outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho. So you will get
Only
enough
first year
space.
will. Yeah. Most probably only first year will be there.
Okay. So you are going for study. You are not studying at home.
No, ma'am.
So जिनको दिवाली करनी है वो भी दिवाली के पहले ही जाने वाले हैं.
No,
Almost
ma'am.
everybody is coming.
Okay. So almost you are staying there 1.5 month.
From 2nd November till 31st December.
Oh, that means you will come back only after the Viva examination.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please take the proper precautions, sanitation and all the things. Please properly वहाँ पे करो.
Yes, ma'am.
सैनिटाइजर्स यूज करो, मास्क यूज करो, शील्ड यूज करो, ग्लव्स यूज करो एंड डोंट गो आउट ऑफ द कॉलेज, यानी प्रीमाइसेस के बाहर मत जाओ.
Yes, ma'am. It is not allowed. Golab sir is not giving any permission to go
हाँ,
outside.
unless and until there is some emergency, don't go out from the premises of our college. Though the patients are less in on the Arefata, now it is less, I think so, no? But you are coming from different regions. That's why I'm saying
Yes.
keep the proper physical distance and use the sanitizers. All are coming on 2nd of November or others are coming after Diwali.
After
Ma'am, some have
Diwali, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
some
after
have
Diwali.
dates, ma'am.
Those
After
who want,
Diwali.
those who want to study, they are going beforehand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ठीक है. Tomorrow we will take only, please, tomorrow will be the last lecture. I will take only the 2 aphorisms and we will finish it up. Clear? After that, we will
Yes,
not
ma'am.
have any organal lecture for 2 months, November and December. So please bear me only one day tomorrow for 1 hour. After that, we will directly meet in the month of Jan.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
tomorrow we
ma'am.
will take only 2
Yes,
aphorisms,
ma'am.
35 and 36. Please bear with me. And I think in the Viva also I will not come there. Some other person will come and they will take you a Viva. So tomorrow again I will give you the best of luck for your theory examination as well as for the Viva. Please bear me tomorrow, one day only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ikra, take today's attendance and post
Ma'am.
it on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any problem in the
Okay, ma'am.
susceptibility? I know you are not in a condition to give the answer or to listen it properly, but still, this is my duty to ask. Any problem in this?
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
You
Ma'am.
have to say no. Because right now you are in your brain, the physiology and anatomy are working, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be, I can understand. But this is again my duty, na, ki I have to take the lecture. Okay, no problem. So I am assure you tomorrow only I will not take the philosophy, nothing else. Tomorrow we will take only the 2 aphorisms. And then 2 months we will not meet, not in the November, not in the December. After that, I don't know. So please bear me tomorrow for 1 hour. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am. Okay,
study your
ma'am.
first year subjects today, and tomorrow again we will meet. Okay. पैथोलॉजी और एफएमटी अभी है क्या दोपहर में?
No, ma'am. FMD will be there. Pathology directly on Monday. Ma'am said like that.
Monday, I think from the 1st of November, the classes will not be there. Na? I don't know. Let it be there. Some things will be clear from Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt, any problem in any subject? Organon or pharmacy, you can ask. A few seconds are left. Any problem anywhere? No problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then study hard, do better, and then we will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.